Are those ghostly rattles, bangs, and howls making you wonder if your chimney is haunted? Don't worry, you're not alone. From creosote buildup, uninvited animal guests, loose or damaged components, or even the wind, there are several reasons your chimney might be making those strange sounds. But no need to fear what lurks in your chimney. A quick inspection and repair from our certified professionals can solve the mystery of your haunted chimney. Our team will identify the root cause of those spooky noises and ensure your chimney is safe and sound. Sleep well, knowing your chimney is no longer haunting your house. Call us today and let us exorcise those ghostly noises for good. Felgemacher Masonry and Chimney, where the only thing scary is how good we are at what we do.